Hello, welcome to the AMBS Library homepage. Today we are going to look at how to search for scripture texts in the Atlas Plus database. So our library homepage is at ambs.edu/library. Over here on the right-hand side in the middle, we have an icon and link to databases. So we're going to go ahead and click there. And then you see the option here to go to Atlas Plus by Atla. I'm going to go ahead and click in there. At this point, if you are not already logged in, the system will prompt you to enter your barcode and password or your AMBS email. So you'll want to do that to log in before getting to this page. Over on the left-hand side, under links, you'll see this option for the Atla Scripture Search. I'm going to click there. And now we have an option to either search for terms in the Atla Scripture Search, or what works better is to actually go down and see the list of books in the Bible in canonical order. And we're going to click through until we find the book of the Bible that we're after. Today we're searching for articles on Galatians chapter 5, verse 25. So we see Galatians here. We're going to expand. We're going to go to chapter 5. Then we're going to go and select verse 25. And now we go back up and we say add to search. So now we've constructed a search for Galatians 5:25. And we can also add other terms to the search. This verse is obviously about the Spirit. We could search for things on the Spirit. What we're going to do is actually just go ahead and click search. And what we get back when the results appear is a list of articles that have to do with this text, that have been tagged with this text. And we're seeing that, some of them are in English, some of them are in Korean. We can go here to show more results. And we may want to actually only look at the ones that have full text PDFs, or we may only want to look at the ones that are in English, etc. So the way that we do that is we go up here to all filters and we choose, we want full text, we want them in English, and we're going to hit apply. And so now we only see the full text English language articles. And we can see here what journal they appear in, who the author is, when they were published. And those things give us clues as to the relevance of the resource to our topic and project. So yeah, this is just a quick view of what it means to search the scriptures in the Atla database. Feel free to reach out to our librarians if you have any questions. Thank you.